Good morning, student. Today I will read in EVS chapter 7. Chapter 7 name is Saying Without Speaking. Chapter 7 Saying Without Speaking. How can possible? Saying without speaking? Yes, you have a more problem without speaking. In a story about whose person cannot hear, cannot speak. So let's start the chapter. But you show in an example, you show in the cartoon and shows, and you understood कि in a cartoon what expression, so you show the expression and understood कि they are what is saying, because you have a sense organ. Sense organs means then how many sense organs? Six organs. Sense organs you have. First sense organ is eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. You know, skin, eyes help us to see when you look here and there with your eyes. Nose help us to smell when in a kitchen your mother cooking the food. Then you go to kitchen and ask to mother, what are you making? Mother is told vegetable, coffee, tea, yes, something different. So you say to mother, mom, yes, is a very nice. So what use is nose. So there is a use of nose. So next, ears help us to hears. Ears listening to sound, listening to music, use for ears. Tongue used to taste. When you eating the food, after that you decided this taste is sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Next, skin help us to feel to something. When you touch anything, then you observe this is hot or cold. So it's our sense organs. Now in this time, here is dumb charades. Dumb charades is a game. So let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. Divides yourselves into groups of 7. It is a very interesting game. In this game, you can try to at home, in school, with your friends. But in this game, make 2 groups. In each group have 7 members. After that, you make a act. Your teacher will give each group a piece of paper with a situation written on it. Mean that your teacher, your parents, your friends write some situation on the paper. Each group will read what is written on the paper and prepare a silent act. Keep in mind that you cannot speak. You can express through your face and body action. In this game, written on the paper, prepare an act and express your act with your acting. Explain to others what are you saying. In this game, without speak, don't use a speaking. You cannot speaking. Write down here na. You cannot speak and use the act. Use your body only, your face and body in action. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other groups. The others will have to guess what is being acted out. Mean that when ready the act, they perform front to other groups, and if they understood, it's a nice story, na? So how did you like this game? In this game, without I found this game interesting, but some difficulties there. Yes, it is possible, because when you cannot speak, you have a more problem. In a second question also asking, did you find it difficult to act without speaking? Yes, more problems, because in this chapter about dumb people. Dumb people mean that who cannot speak. And when a person is deaf and dumb, deaf mean that who cannot hear. So look at the picture given on the test page. The children in the picture are talking to each other through action. Picture is where? Picture is there. Two children is there and they are talking but without speaking. They are talking to with expression and with move your lips. Okay. Now two question is there. First question is, have you ever seen anyone talking through action? Yes, I have seen talking through actions. Second question is, when do people need to talk like this? Yes, he needs to talk like this. Some stage artists also talk like this and they are called mime artists. Okay, so now most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. Some children, yes, some people cannot hear or cannot speak because they are very special and use expression with eyes, lips, with hands. Sometimes your teacher asks in a class, when your expression is down, yes, sad, so then teacher is told, today you are sad. At home, your mother, when you look your face and your face smiley face, then she asks you, oh, you are very happy today. So how is possible? Because she look your face after that asking. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movement. Some person when move the lips, after that explain your expression, yeah, what are you saying, they understood. Okay, so now all of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry, some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast. Some can draw well, others can sing his tune. We are all special in our own ways. Hence, in schools, we can learn from each other like all children. Children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. In schools, sign language is taught of them. Mean that in your class, in example, in your class, any one student begin a study. What you know? Maybe expert in a sport, yeah, expert in a when draw nice picture, when he draw, yeah, she draw, and she special in a singing, in a dancing, but weak in a study. So everyone have a some special quality or different to others, and this type of student in a school also learn the sign language is taught to them. Let us read about a child who cannot hear yet who can do many. Is the in this picture, in this here is a here is the poet. Poet's sister cannot hear. I have a sister. My sister cannot hear. So about in this poem, his sister not hear, so but have a some quality. What quality is in a poem? I have a sister. My sister is deaf. Deaf mean that who cannot hear. She is special. His sister is special. There are not many sisters like mine. Mean that all sister not like the her sister. Sorry, his sister. My sister can play the piano. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords. Rumbling chords mean lamba sur. when sing a song in a chorus, then understood. But she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She mean that his sister. She likes to leap. Leap mean that jump. To tumble. टू रोल टम्बल मीन लुढ़कना, जैसे हम लेटते हैं और गोल गोल राउंड टेक अ राउंड इन अ सर्कल इज द टम्बल. टू रोल, टू क्लाइम टू द टॉप ऑफ द मंकी वाज. सच अ मंकी क्लाइम अप द टॉप इज अ वेरी फास्ट. सो ऑल्सो हिज सिस्टर ऑल्सो क्लाइम ऑन द ट्री. नो माई सिस्टर now my sister has started going to my school. Although our mother still helps her read at home, my mother help to my sister lip read at home. The teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water. When teacher not understood what she saying, your children's not understood what she saying, she explain in our expression, your water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. Wore mean that pehenna. The frames very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off. Take them mean that utarna. My sister take my lenses, and when I spoke, how spoke? When do my brown eyes say, do her brown eyes. Brown eyes when look in my eyes and I look in my sister eyes, then understood what is saying. It's a nice story. But here also is a some picture is there. But firstly, you have a two picture is there. In a first picture, a smiley face, and second picture, you look like a sad. The face is a mirror. Yes, our eyes tell a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands even before they learn to speak. They understand a lot too. You look in the picture and you tell me this expression is smiley. Yes, very nice. And her expression is sad. Yes, very good. So now some question is there. First question is, you observe is a practically at home. Observe children of about 6 to 8 months in your area. When small children cannot speak, then show the expression excitement, happy, sad. So you told to mother, my sister, small sister, small brother is sad, yeah, happy. How do they express themselves? So is experiment at home. You can do at home. You must be wondering what kind of faces these are. They have no eyes, no nose, no mouth. You have to make these, but only after reading what is written or alongside. Mean that here some picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 picture is there. Stop. 4 picture is here in a, but is not complete. Complete by you. How? Make a nose, make a nose, make a eyes, and make a mouth. But according your instruction. Instruction is here. Some instruction is here. So first instruction is, this is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. How will his face look? So his face look sad. So you make a picture sad face, a sad face. And here, this is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How will her face? Her face looks joyful. So make a picture her face joyful. This is Yamni mother. Today, while Yamni was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. तो mother face look like a irritated. Her face looks irritated. तो make a face irritated. Irritated face is here. This is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rihanna's face look? Rihanna's face look. तो Rihanna's face look, her face look scared. So make a scared face. Okay. Now, while looking someone face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad or angry. Has it ever happened that you had done some mischief? Mischief means that Saitani, and your mother found out just while looking at your face. Mean that when some mischief at home या in a class, तो in class teacher expression is look like a angry, and your mother face when you mischief at home, तो your father face look like irritated या angry also. तो you ask to mother, are you angry? Yeah, are you irritated? So, how is possible? Express the faces. We can talk through dance as well. In dance, the hands and face are used to convey feeling. These are called mudras and bhavas. Mean that here 4 picture is there, and in a mudra and bhavas. Look at and do these mudras. Learn some more dance mudras and do them. 4 picture is there. First picture mudra is bird. Second picture mudra is flower. Third picture is mudra is snake. And fourth picture is mudra is fish. Yes. Now here some picture. But in a picture, make your own story. Tell the story to your friends and discuss. Show here, look here, is a squirrel, and tree also is there. Squirrel is there, but making something. Squirrel also here, but squirrel is going, and some friends is here. So now let's start your story. There was a squirrel. She lived on a big tree. One day she collected rice and some vegetable and cooked the vegetable fried rice. She invited her friends like the crow, manna, rats and bees. Bees is here, bees is there. All friends enjoyed the party. They said thanks to the squirrel. How's it story? Is a very nice. Okay, students. So complete your chapter 7. It's a nice story. So enjoy this story and read this chapter. Thank you.